guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you 3 best apps to get started with investing in cryptocurrencies. This video isn't sponsored and we are recommending these apps because we use them personally. Watch till the end for a special giveaway. Without any further ado, let's get started. Coinswitch. This is the simplest way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Once you download the app and create an account, you can deposit Indian rupees directly into this app using UPI and start buying and selling crypto. Download the app from the link and get Bitcoin worth 50 rupees for free. Bitdroplet. You may be familiar with SIP, in which every month you invest some amount. Consider this app as an SIP for cryptocurrencies, which you can invest on daily, weekly or monthly basis. Right now, only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gold and Silver are supported. As an experiment, we are investing 100 on a daily basis. We just add some amount into the wallet every month and it automatically invests 100 rupees every day into Bitcoin. Binance. If you are more into trading, this app is for you. We generally don't suggest this app for beginners, but it has a plethora of options to choose from when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies. Stock markets may only be open for 6 hours or so for trading. But the good news with crypto is you can trade 24/7. Do let us know your favorite crypto apps in the comment section. In case you have any queries, feel free to reach out to us on our Telegram group. It's where we will start posting all the giveaways, honest reviews and latest offers that you can get benefit from. And coming to the giveaway, subscribe to our channel and share the screenshot in our Telegram group mentioning how you found our channel for the first time. First 2 entries will win the all-new Echo Dot Gen 4. It is our channel's first anniversary. Hit the subscribe button and participate in the giveaway. See you in the next one.